What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Hey family, I have another fun taco for Taco Tuesdays. Quesadillas. All you're gonna need is peppers, onions, butter, shredded cheese, and 2 flour tortillas. This is gonna be a fun and easy treat. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're gonna take our peppers and onions and we're gonna dice them down into small squares like this, family. We're gonna add in a half a tablespoon of butter and add it to our cast iron skillet. We're gonna massage the butter into our skillet, family, just like so. Next, at this time, we're gonna add our flour tortilla face down. We're gonna cook it on this side for 1.5 minutes. While we're doing that, we're gonna add a half a cup to a cup of shredded cheese, followed by our red peppers, our orange peppers, our onion, and then we're gonna top it with some more cheese, family. At this time, we're gonna add our tortilla, and we're gonna add butter at this time, family. Yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it, and we're gonna let this side cook for another 1.5 minutes. Until then, quick facts. When were quesadillas invented? The 16th century, literally meaning cheesy little things. Quesadillas originated in North and Central Mexico in the 16th century. Corn tortillas were already popular amongst the Aztec people. They often stuffed them with squash, pumpkin, and baked them in clay ovens as a sweet dessert. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Alright, family. And after 1.5 minutes, we went ahead and plated it up for you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this into fourths. Nice and crunchy. Look at that. Let's go ahead and dip it into our sour cream. And let's go ahead and take a bite. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much, family, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.